Curious how the elderly population responded to the COVID vaccine? I'll share with you what the residents at my facility experienced. Hello again, Jennifer here. Today, we are cracking the code on the elderly and the COVID-19 vaccine. In my last video, I went over my whirlwind of side effects from the Moderna COVID-19 vaccine. But today, I want to talk to you about the side effects of the elderly population. And I'm happy to say that this video will be very short. As some of you know, I work in a skilled nursing facility, and about 3 weeks ago, most of our residents got in line for the shot. I talked to the residents and nursing staff the day after they received the vaccine. Early in the day, the most common side effect for most of our residents was fatigue. Unfortunately, this resulted in several of our dementia residents to suffer falls because they weren't really able to self-monitor how they were feeling. Most of them didn't even remember getting the vaccine, which I guess would be a good thing because they really didn't have any other symptoms or pain going on. Thankfully, none of the falls were serious, but no fall is a good fall. So for you caregivers out there living with a loved one with dementia, this is definitely something to look out for. As you know, loved ones with more advanced dementia are not always aware of how they feel, and they can't communicate if they are not feeling well. So just keep an eye on them for a day or two if and when they get the vaccine. Aside from fatigue, half of the residents that I talked to reported the following side effects: pain at the injection site, arm soreness, and a mild headache, while the other half reported no symptoms at all. And all of the residents who did have side effects said they lasted no more than 2 days. It appeared that the younger staff, those between the ages of about 25 to 40, including myself, definitely had the worst of it and experienced more of the severe flu-like side effects. Luckily, none of our residents reported or exhibited any severe side effects or reactions to the vaccine. I also want to point out that our facility was hit really hard with COVID at the end of November. I believe all but 5 of our residents contracted COVID. So the vaccine was administered mostly to those who already had the virus. Also, the majority of our patients who live at the facility have numerous underlying health conditions. And from what I can remember, high blood pressure, diabetes, and COPD top the list. Again, the vaccine was optional for all of our residents, but most were very eager to get the shot. Their lives have been turned upside down the most since COVID began. The federal lockdown has not only restricted any family or friends from visiting them, but has also limited their socialization with each other. It's been almost a year since our residents have enjoyed communal dining or group activities such as bingo or Bible study or sing-along groups, which for so many of them are the only things they have to look forward to. I just want to hug my kids and play a game of bingo with my friends again, one of the residents said as they sat in the observation area after getting the vaccine. And I very much want that for them too. If your elderly loved one has taken the vaccine, feel free to leave a comment below to let us know how things went for them. Thanks for watching, and until next time, good luck cracking the code.